Welcome back. You're with us on Bazaar Morning Call. Let's quickly get to that promised conversation with the management of Zen Technologies. The stock has seen a strong run this year. The returns are over 130% if you look at the last 12 months. And the company has now successfully raised 1,000 crore rupees via a QIP. To talk about the business outlook and the plans going forward, we have with us Mr. Ashok Atluri, Chairman and MD at Zen Technologies. So thanks very much for joining in. So let's start right there. 1,000 crores in the bag. The last time we were in conversation, you did indicate that you would be looking at potential acquisitions. So has something been firmed up? What are the timelines like? And what exactly is going to be the utilization, specific utilization of the 1,000 crores you've raised?
So we are still looking at, we are in talks with a couple of companies, and they're at quite advanced stage. And again, once we are able to sign the documents, then we'll be able to reveal the names of the organizations that are companies that we are trying to acquire. And as for the utilization, we are looking at inorganic, inorganic growth through acquisition. That's one, and the second is working capital, and finally some bit of capex and internal R&D that we want to do, and general business purposes. Yeah.
So, Mr. Atluri, on the acquisition, the first point that you said, give us some idea of the size of these target companies that you're looking at, and also the specific technologies or the areas, industrial areas in which they operate. Where would you be shoring up your presence? And again, out of 1,000 crores, I mean, are you setting aside, say, 500 crores for these acquisitions, more or less?
So it's a flexible. Currently we are saying about 350 to 400 crores. And the size of acquisition we are looking is between 100 to 250 crores. That is the acquisition size we are looking at. So that would accommodate for a couple of acquisitions for us. Yeah. And the area that you said, where are we focusing on? We are focusing on both the simulation market and the anti-drone or electronic warfare market. We're looking to strengthen ourselves in both the segments. And we expect that interesting companies are there in these spaces, and that will help us, fill some gaps that we have for our future strategy.
Mr. Atluri, so 100 to 250 crores is the size, and you will do at least two, right? You said a couple.
Yeah, 2 to 3. I mean, we are open to that. Yeah, that's right. 2
to 3.
Yeah.
So you're talking to at least 3 companies, and in advanced stages, then, right?
No, this will accommodate 2 to 3 acquisitions. Yeah, and we are talking to a couple of companies. You're right. Yeah.
Okay. And it's in both segments, simulation and anti-drone as well.
Yeah, that's right. Electronic warfare. That's right. Yeah.
I mean, if there is one industry which, I mean, you can look at what is happening around us. And I was thinking about it yesterday. I mean, when you read these headlines out of Russia, Ukraine, that drone attack, what you're seeing out there in the Middle East, right? I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. And the need for, I mean, what you make, anti-drone systems, I think, you can see a real fundamental driver behind it over the next many years. I mean, just your thoughts. I just wanted your views, because this is all happening real time.
Yeah, so I think we have been lucky that very early 2018 we decided that we should focus on anti-drone systems, where the craze was drones. Everybody wanted to get into drones.
I think
we said yeah.
Go on, Mr. Atluri. I think we're losing you, but go on. We'll give it another shot.
Yes. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. So I think we were lucky that we invested very early on in 2018 into anti-drone space, and today, we have a lead over any other thing. Again, the Armenia-Azerbaijan war proved, Ukraine war is proving that drones are a different level. If you in a gunfight, if you bring the sword, you are going to lose. So all the other weapon systems are becoming absolutely, outdated. So the ADS is very, very big, and the anti-drone systems, and we can see as we speak the inquiries and the demand from not only India but all over the world. It is exploding at this point of view. No pun intended.